Hello everyone, myself Rashmi Singh. I am intern at UB Advocate and today I will be discussing about the topic of mob lynching. So, first of all we will be knowing what is mob lynching. So, mob lynching is the act of targeted violence by the large crowd of people. In simple words, we can say that when crowd tries to lynch someone or murder someone, that offense is called as the mob lynching. There have been several instances of mob lynching in our country, and wherein the mob has taken the law in their hand and tried to do mob justice. Mob lynching can be because of various reasons. One of those is the lack of faith in the judiciary and police system. The crowd does not think that the judiciary and the police system is sufficient to provide them justice, so they take law into their hand and they punish the person whom they think have done something wrong. Another is that the belief in mob justice rather than the judicial system. Third is that cow vigilantism. There are many cases of cow slaughtering in our country, and under the pretext of the cow slaughtering, people murder someone. It is often seen that in our country the mob lynching is often seen in the light of communalism. It is important to note that the mob lynching is an offense against humanity, not an offense against a particular community or a religion. Now coming to the laws relating to mob lynching, at present there is no particular law that deals with the topic of mob lynching. In fact, the word lynching is nowhere defined in the law. Now the question comes in the mind that do we really need law related to mob lynching? The answer is yes. In the past few years, we have seen that the number of lynching cases have increased, and many times it had led to communal violence. So there is a need to firstly define the term lynching. At present, there is no proper definition of lynching, because of which there is no particular data, no policy, and the offenders remain many a times unpunished. Mob lynching is the offense against humanity. It is the violence of Article 21, which talks about the human dignity. It also violates the basic principle of Universal Declaration of Human Rights. So, first of all, there is a need to make proper law relating to this. In 2018, in the case of Tehseen S. Poonawalla versus Union of India, the Supreme Court defined the mob lynching as the horrendous offense against mobocracy. And it has also directed the state and the central government to make proper laws relating to this offense, and it has also ordered to set up fast track court which will be dealing with the offenses related to mob lynching. As of now, there is no concrete law even after the order by the Supreme Court. Recently in Jharkhand, Prevention of Mob Lynching and Mob Violence bill was passed, but the governor returned that bill. Attempt should be made to pass a proper act or include a proper law in the existing legal system, so that the offenders do not go unpunished. If there will be any law, the offender will have a fear before doing this offense, and the offense of mob lynching requires a proper punishment. One such thing can be done, like including the offense of lynching under the category of murder under section 300 and 302 of IPC, and giving a proper definition of lynching so that offenses can be categorized and there is a proper data, and based on that data policies can be made. If there will be a proper law relating to this offense, there will be less chances of the offenses, and even if it happens, offenders will not go unpunished. Thank you.